Welcome to my monthly Bitcoin mining contract review. Today we are the 1st of March 2017. So let's take a look at what I earned in the month of February with my $500 Bitcoin mining contract. Let's go to the 30-day summary. As usual, I repurchase my earnings. So what did I earn on my $500 the last 30 days? $44.85. Not bad, not bad. It stays consistently at $40, 40, 45, sometimes a little bit more. So I'm really pleased with that. Also, what happened in February? The Bitcoin price had an all-time high. The Bitcoin price went to $1,186. This is a Bitcoin record. So it means that all is going well, all is going great. Today it's even on 1194. Yesterday it was $1,200. So yeah, we can see that the Bitcoin keeps growing. Its value keeps growing. Of course, sometimes the value drops, but it's normal. It goes up, it goes up, it goes up, it goes down. But what we see is in the long term, it keeps going up. The price is more and more. So yeah, is it still profitable to mine bitcoins? Absolutely. If you look at my earnings, absolutely. I only have a $500 contract, so it only means like $44 in a month. 40, 44. It's not an exact science, but I believe very much in Bitcoin. Guys, you should search what Bitcoin does, the blockchain, etc. If you don't know Bitcoin very well, start researching about it, and you will see that it is amazing. It can stop wars. It can, yeah, it's an honest system. Everybody should have one Bitcoin, as the millionaires say. Everyone should have one Bitcoin because the price, they say, for this year is going to $2,000. Let's see. But many experts say the price will go up to $5,000, $10,000, and even $100,000. So is it still worth buying a mining contract, or start mining yourself? Yes, absolutely. The miners are the biggest winners. If you can also buy bitcoins, but you won't earn as much as when you start mining. So I'll put a lot of information under the video. If you want, if you have questions, just feel free to ask them in the comments. Yeah, it will be a short video for today because my strategy is the same. What I earn, from what I earn, like the $44 I earned in February, I compound this. I put this money back into my miner. I repurchase it. I repurchase more gigahash with my earnings. So in the month of February, my miner got stronger again. As you can see, the original gigahash I got from my $500 Bitcoin mining contract was 3,000, and because I'm a Value Club member, 130 gigahash extra, so 3,130. I repurchased most of the time on 100%, but not all the time. So I have an extra gigahash of 1500. That's really good. My miner keeps getting stronger and stronger. At one moment it will be double. It will be double my original gigahash. So it means it would be the same as if I would have bought $1,000 Bitcoin mining contract. You see the power of compounding. So that is my strategy because I believe in Bitcoin. I already made some Bitcoins, but for me it's important that the gigahash, that my miner is strong, that it has a lot of gigahash, that it can mine a lot of blocks. you know. And also, I decided that this year I will buy a $5,000 mining contract. So then things will get a lot more interesting. I will keep you updated. It will. I think it will be in May. So be sure to subscribe if you like my videos, if you like my channel. Don't forget to like if this video was of value to you. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. For the people who are mining, continue, because we're gonna see some great things with Bitcoin. I'm so excited. So for the people who aren't mining yet, you can start. You can start from $25 mining. If you don't know, you want to try but you don't really know, just start a Bitcoin mining contract of $25. What do you have to lose? The savers, like Robert Kiyosaki says, savers are losers. If you put it on the bank, at least in our banks, you lose money because the inflation is higher, so you lose your money. The interest is not even 1%. So if we put our money on the bank, we lose it. So it's better. You buy a mining contract. The mining contract lasts for 3 years, so you're mining for 3 years, and your $25 will become more and more. Because when the Bitcoin price rises, yeah, you will earn good. As you can see, look at my other videos of my Bitcoin mining reviews, and you will see. I will keep you updated, and I wish you guys a happy mining. See you next month. Bye bye.